Hello.
Good morning.
Please.
My name is Kenneth. I'm from Puchong. I think about 15 years or 20 years ago, at least 15 to 20 years, yes. Yes, I actually did. I went for stem cells, but unfortunately for 2 years, I went through the particular process, but it didn't actually materialize to my expectations.
And to finish this area, I will connect it from the top and the bottom, the sides, the back of your hair.
It was actually one fine day. My wife was actually walking through a complex. Then she actually saw this. She's saying like it was like hair tattoo. So I actually went into it and I did the survey myself. I was really happy that the results that came out, and he will actually complete it until he's really satisfied himself instead of myself. To me, is an experience. If you really want to look good, I think you should do it. That's my point of view, and in true honesty, I'm really satisfied with it. To be honest, I'm happy with it because I don't have to wear cap anymore. To be honest, yeah, like wow. You have hair already. It's something like that. Okay, that's how it actually was. And I'm actually very proud of myself right now. It's like I dare to even go out and meet people without even having my cap.